My name is Ashley Rader, and my company is in Dallas, Texas. We specialize in renovations, additions, kitchens, and bathrooms. The most impact on me with Aspire is getting my estimates under control, understanding that I am just as valuable as every single subcontractor that I pay or every employee that I pay. As an owner, I am the last person paid. I discovered my profit leaks, and I'm still discovering profit leaks, and I try to fine tune it every day. I changed my sales process day one, which has actually been the hardest thing for me because it doesn't come as easy to me as I thought it did. My close rate was too high. And I know that because I wasn't making any money, right? Like, what's happening? We have all these jobs and no money. I knew that I had wanted a business coach. I just didn't know where to find one that specialized in exactly what Aspire specializes in. So I would recommend a business coach to anyone in any level.